Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick little video about the AWS instance server and the database. So today I'm going to show you how I basically downloaded this. I created an AWS account, and then after that I created a new instance by launching the new instance. And I followed the prompts here that the professor gave me, I believe, if I have them. Downloads for homework 5. I think these are the final homework of the semester. Basically follow these instructions along with watching the YouTube videos and whatnot, and you make a instance, and then after that you have to create a key, and then you gotta use PuTTY, what's it called, PuTTyGen, to generate a private key. You have to use the key that you created to then load the key, and then after that, like, I created a couple of keys already, so this is the one that we're going to be using today. So then you load Christine, and then after that, a little menu will pop up, and then you'd have to save the key, but then you'd have to set up a little password, and then after that, you can load your terminal using Ubuntu PuTTY. So I already signed in. I logged in as Ubuntu, and my password was like a 4-digit password. I kind of wanted to make it easier for myself. And then this is all the configurations here. We installed PHPMyAdmin, MySQL, and what's the other one called? We also installed, I think we installed 3 things. Like, let me see. So we downloaded PHP, we downloaded MySQL server, we also downloaded Ubuntu, and we downloaded PuTTY. We had to download like the Laravel app deployment. So I kind of downloaded a little bit of it, but I didn't download all of it, but it ended up still working. So let's actually run that real quick. So you go here. So this right here is going to be your DNS server. You're going to use this little link here to have access to your database and whatnot. So let's take these away for a bit. This, you'll just have a splash index page of the Apache default page, and this just confirms that Ubuntu is working and running. Then we can do the directory of homework 5. That's where I put my stuff. And right here we have the HTML file and the PHP file. So without this file, this database PHP wouldn't run. And yeah, let's see if it'll work. We'll just click here. And it's a query of the MySQL database. You can select a field to display. Could do this little star. We'll try the ID. Send the query, and it'll say the results of the select ID from books. It's 1 through 7, and your search yield is from 1 through 7. And it goes by title as well. These are types of different programming books that the textbook company sells, like Visual Basic, Visual C#, Java, C++, and so on. And there's also, it goes by category, and they're mostly programming books, and with one exception of the operating systems. And we have the ISBN, so it'll track all the books by ISBN number. And now, I'll show you how to access the, what's it called? This database that I basically put it in. So I signed in to Ubuntu, like I said. Then I had to do the password, and then how to sign into MySQL. You got to do this command prompt. You got to do this command prompt to access MySQL, which is right over here. So this means MySQL has been accessed, and you got to type in your password to access MySQL. And then the stuff I put in, what I put from here, this stuff was under products, under PHP My Admin. So let me just pull up PHP My Admin real quick. It's actually right here, and products is actually right here. And there's a books table, and it has all of our books from the textbook company. You can actually pull it up in our server right here. We just got select product. So that is all caps. Semicolon. Interesting. Hold on. I may be mistaken. I could have sworn I had this command prompt somewhere. Show tables. I definitely have to save these command prompts somewhere. Show tables. Oh, use database name. Sorry. It's actually use. Okay, and this confirms that we're in our database called products. And now we get to show our tables. This shows our table command right over here. And this is the table of the products, and it's of books, and it's one row. It's basically listed on all the books in that row. And let's see, what else do I have? Let me just check in my thing. Let me see. Sorry about that. Go to my photos real quick. It's been a long day. 2 days trying to do this. Easily deleted. And then if you want to select from books from that same section, you could actually go to select and do the star from books. After that, you'll see all of the books listed, like Visual Basic and whatnot, JavaScript, right over here. And it's by category of the ID, the title, and the ISBN. You can basically just exit out of this. Now that we're done, there's much to explain. It's basically the same thing with not just this, but with all the other prompts that you could use as well. Like, I think it's just books. There's also the SQL right here. You can also make your own database in the PHP My Admin. I already made one. This is just a demo one that I tried out earlier today. You can exit out. How do I exit MySQL? I don't want to mess up anything. I think it's just exit. That's it. We're good to close. And that's basically everything about the AWS database that I made and PHP My Admin. And just to make sure that you have your just have your database running to make sure that it actually works. And that's it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just let me know. Thanks so much.